Hello students, today I'll be starting with question number 6 of exercise 2.2. Now in this question we have multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So here we will have to multiply the number and then the result will be expressed in mixed fraction. Now in the first part we have 3 into 5 1 by 5. Now 3 will remain same and 5 1 by 5 is given in mixed fraction, so we will have to convert it into improper. So 5 into 5 plus 1, so 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1 is 26, and the denominator will remain same, so it's 5, and here no digit is given, so we will have to consider as 1. Okay, now see 3 and 1 cannot be cancelled, cannot be divided by one single digit. So what we have to do, we will have to multiply the numerator. So 26 multiplied by 3 is 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So we have 78 after multiplication of the numerators, and if you multiply the denominator then we will get 5 1s are 5. Now this is in improper fraction, we will have to convert it into mixed. Okay, so 5 1s are 5. Well, since here is one digit, we will have to take one digit. We will not take two digit at a time. Okay, so 5 1s are 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Now 8 will come down. Now 5 5s are 25. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So how to write the mixed fraction? We will write the quotient at first, and then remainder will be up and divisor will be down. So it will be 15 3 by 5. Okay. Now in the B part we have 5 into 6 3 by 4. Now here again mixed fraction is given, so we will have to convert it into improper. So 6 into 4. So this into this plus this, if you want to convert it into improper fraction. So 6 into 4 is 24, 24 plus 3 is 27, and the denominator will remain same, so it will be divided by 4. So now these and these we cannot cancel it. So what we have to do here, we will have to consider as 1, and then we will multiply the numerator. Now 27 multiplied by 5, how much? 7 5s are 35, 5 3 carry, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13. So we have 135, and if you multiply the denominator then we will have 4, 4 1s are 4. Now we will just divide to convert it into mixed fraction. 4 3s are 12. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 5 will come down. So 4 3s are 12 again. So 5 minus 2 3. So we have 33 3 by 4. So this is the answer of part B. Now coming to part C, we have 7 into 2 1 by 4. So in part C we have 7 into 2 1 by 4. Now again 7 will remain same, and this we will convert it into improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 by 4. Now here we will consider as 1. Now these 7 and 4 cannot be cancelled, so we will just multiply the numerator. So 7 9s are 63 and 4 1s are 4. Okay, so improper fraction, so we will have to convert it into mixed. So we will have to divide this. 4 1s are 4. Now 6 minus 4 is 2. So 3 will come down. Now 4 5s are 20. Now 3 minus 0 is 3. So we have 15 3 by 4. So this is the answer of part C. Now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have 4 into 6 1 by 3. So 4 will remain same again, and here this into this plus this. So 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 1 19 by 3. Now here we will consider as 1, as there is no digit. Now this and this we cannot cancel, so we'll just multiply the numerator and denominator. So 19 4s are 76, divided by 3 into 1 is 3. So we'll have to convert it into mix. Now 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Now 6 will come down. So 3 5s are 15. Now 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer will be quotient, then remainder up and divisor down. So it will be 25 1 by 3. Okay. Now coming to E part. In the E part we have 3 1 by 4 into 6. Now we will have to convert it into improper. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4 into 6. Here we will consider as 1. Now see, 4 and 6 can be divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Now cancellation is over. Now what we have to do, we will just multiply the numerator. So 13 multiplied by 3 is 39 and 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So we have got 39 by 2 as mixed improper fraction. Now we will have to convert it into mixed. So 2 1s are 2. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 9 will come down. So 9 into 2. 9 2s are 18. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer will be 19 1 by 2. Okay. Now the last part of this question is 3 2 by 5 into 8. So 3 2 by 5 into 8. Now here we will have to convert it into improper fraction again. So this into this plus this. So 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17 by 5 into 8. Now here we will consider as 1. Again see, these and this we cannot cut. So what we have to do, we will have to just multiply these two. Now what will be here? So 17 8s are 136 divided by, if you multiply the denominator will get 5. Now we have got 136 by 5. Now we will have to convert it into mixed. So 5 2s are 10. Now 3 minus 0 is 3. Now 6 will come down. Now 5 7s are 35. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer will be 27 1 by 5. Okay. So this way we will have to multiply, and then we will have to, if we get the improper fraction, then we will have to convert it into mixed. Thank you, students.